Hi guys, so I finished 2 more items that I wanted to put into loaded envelope. So I just wrapped up a few selections of my washi that I wanted to share with my swap partner, and I used one of the journaling cards or cut aparts from the 12x12 and used it as my backing. I made one little crepe paper rosette and added one of the chipboard Halloween chipboards from the Target collection. And so I made this previously and I just added a backing paper to it and bagged them up. So those are the 2 items that I completed. Okay guys, so I'm going to make some more of the medallions. I pulled out some more of my streamers. So I'm going to make black, yellow, white, and green. Okay, so that's what we're going to use for our Halloween medallions. Right where, and I'm just going to tuck it like that. Okay, so look at that, pretty, pretty, pretty. I'm just gonna take my stapler, good old-fashioned staples, and it will be secure until you want, you know, till you add your centerpiece. And see how I just, if there's a peak, just a little peak, I'll just trim it away. So that's good for me right there. I'm good with that. And now I can make the next color, so probably just one of each color, honestly. Yeah, so hope you guys give it a try. It's not hard. I'm not, once again, it's not my original idea. There's a few ladies on YouTube that have shown better DIY methods to making them, and this is just how I make mine. So I'll catch you all on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.